Yo, what's up, guys? Look, I'm back at it. Today I'm here to journal my NQ, my NASDAQ plays for the day. So I took 3 trades. The final trade was it was break even. It was iffy. It ended up losing actually, which is actually this trade right here that you can see on my screen before the big 3 candle push up at the end. But yeah, broke even. The first 2 trades I won. The second trade was kind of crazy. I'm gonna show you guys that one. It was really iffy, not iffy, because I was confident in what price is gonna do, but still iffy. But yeah, let's show you guys my NASDAQ trades. I'm got a journal. But yeah, let's do it. So let's look at NASDAQ. Okay, it's a little crazy right now, as we can see, right? Okay, looks good for you. Looks good for you. Okay, let me see if I can move myself out the way or something. I think I can put myself down right here. Okay, bet. Hey, all right, guys, let's get to it. So, you guys can see me. Hello, my name's just call me Guzman. It's my last name. That's what I stand. It's last name I'm trying to push. So the Guzman last name gonna mean something in this world, because I am professional and I am successful in anything and everything I choose to be in, because I say I am and I put the hard work in. I am delusional to a lot of people, but to myself, I'm laying down a brick every single day that they don't see, and that's the most important thing. So boom, NASDAQ, higher time frame. I actually had caught this trade. I wasn't able to swing trade it from like right here, literally. But I didn't play because I played gold on Tuesday. This is Tuesday. Anyways, today, higher time frame, bullish. I'm looking at higher time frame. I'm in. Look at 1 minute, bullish. Okay, we're looking bullish. But let's play off this zone, because this is where I started entering. Off this 30-minute zone is where I started to get bullish at. Let's leave that zone. Yeah. Okay, so boom. I'm gonna show you guys my trade. So boom, we're bullish right here. So this is where price was at, where I started becoming interested in, because it was making highs and I just wanted it to make a low. So it came down and made a low, and it actually tapped right here. This is like a 4-hour fair value gap. Yeah, you see? Tapped right here and started pushing up. That's the one I missed. That's another one I missed, because I missed this one and I missed this entry, but I did catch another one. So boom, price pushed up over here, broke out, and I was looking for a pullback back into this 30-minute fair value gap. After we got that, I was looking for an entry bullish. I wanted price to tap and push back up around the 30-minute, the 15-minute, and the 5-minute. So around the 5-minute, when price came back, hit this, tapped into my zone, I started to, I got long around this area. Yeah, where was it? Yeah, here. I got long around here. I remember because I was super close to getting stopped out multiple times, because price is right on me. So look, my stop loss is right here. I entered around here. So price came down, broke out. So price came down, 30-minute tap, fair value gap. People could have entered, I didn't. I waited for indication, smaller time frame, indicated me breaking out, being bullish. I was waiting for the pullback back to this 5-minute fair value gap. Once I got this and I seen price wicking out right here twice, these 2 candles, I got in. Price started coming down, consolidating for like 20 minutes. My stop was right here. I was risking like $500, dude. I was over leveraging. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to risk 400 max a day, 450. I was risking around. I wasn't over leveraging too much, but I was. I'm not gonna lie, which wasn't the smartest thing, which I never do actually. So it wasn't too smart, but it is what it is. landed in my favor, thankfully. But yeah, I was just gonna run like 500, 600. But anyways, so that's price. That was my first trade. Long around here. Stop loss around here. And I was just aiming for these highs. Something like this. Yeah, I was aiming for the highs, like up here. And then price started to like move. And I put my stop loss. I was on a smaller time frame, like the 2 to 3 minute. You see? So right here, I put my stop loss around here under this low. Price came back, stopped me out for 250. I'm like, okay, cool. That stopped me out. This is actually the third trade right here. Yeah, no, I'm tripping. Yeah, this is the first trade, and this is actually the second trade. This was the second trade. I caught a trade on the 1 minute time frame. Yes, literally. Because look, I was on the 1 minute time frame, and I seen price, because I'm like, okay, it pushed up, it touched, not all time high, but there's like levels right here, rejecting. It pushed up. You see, there's levels right here, like rejecting. It pushed up, came down, stopped me out around here. Then I got in around here. I think I got in like around here. Stop loss up here, something like that. I think like around here. Stop loss up here. Price came down, hit this level because I wanted it to take out like these levels, and it did finally. So it took it out, and then yeah, that was like a 250 profit. This is to like a 5 minute fair value gap as well. But yeah, it just kept going. I entered another trade around here to the upside, like around this area, and then it just kept showing me it wanted to go down, consolidating. So I just got out break even. I'm up for the day. Came down. I would have lost, but I didn't. Break even trade. And yeah, look, price came back up, as I know it did, but I couldn't enter because it was top step. What's it called? Top step. I can't swing trade on top step. That's a city thing. Always have reasonable expectations with your trading and know that you can only get out what it is you put in. Risk management, patience, and discipline will bring success in your trading journal. Coach T. But yeah, total P&L, trade win. Yup. Today we went up. Thursday, 469 I made. So I'm proud of myself. Yeah. My winning trades are always longer than my losing trades. At the price, I make sure I cut quick, which is great. Average winning trade, average losing trade, 3-4 times. Worst trade, 78. Best trade, 314, 15. I think the one I made first day. But yeah, for the week, up $700. Feeling great. Could have been up over a rack, but that's okay. It is what it is. Shoulda, coulda, fucking woulda. But yeah, great. Those are my trades on NASDAQ today. Made around 500, 470 today. So I'm feeling great. I was up more. Came back. Stopped me out under that low. It is what it is. It's okay. I'm thankful. Next week's going to be very blessed. And I'm going to have much better trades. But yeah, blessed. Thank you guys. And yeah, let's keep it improving. Keep back testing, refining. Always trying to get better. God bless. God first. Stay down and diligent. Always hustle.